All right, seventh grade. Here is your grammar lesson for this week. It is on common and proper nouns. All right, common and proper nouns. Proper nouns begin with capital letters, and common nouns are just regular nouns. The word cat is common, but Boots, the cat's name, is a proper noun. You are going to circle each word that's used as a common noun you find in the sentence, and we're going to underline the proper nouns. So, looking at sentence number 1, I live in the last house on Elm Street. House is a common noun, so I'm going to circle it. Elm Street is the specific name of the street I live on, so I'm going to underline it. And sentence number 2, dog is common, but Max is his name and it's proper. And I went for a walk. Walk is a common noun. There are several Ryans in my class. Well, Ryan's is capitalized and it's the name of the kids, so it's underlined. But class is common, so I'm going to circle it. My family, that's common, is planning a trip, that's common, to the Grand Canyon. That's the name of a specific place. I'm going to underline it. Mom. Now, if you are calling her mom because that's her quote name, you could justify that mom is going to be a proper name. Where is my shirt? That's common. Jenny is proper. Asked her mother. Now, this case, mother is common, so I'm going to underline it. So, don't forget to get what I've done with you on problems 1 through 5 done on your guided notes. And then you'll need to finish the rest of the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Also, mark it as done when you get finished.